Hey guys, Coach Kelly here, official trainer of I Love Lacrosse TV. Today we're going to continue identifying certain characteristics that lead to mechanical issues in the way that you pass and shoot. So what we're going to talk about today is pushing. When we shoot a lacrosse ball, pass or shoot, I'll use that term interchangeably for this, but when we shoot a lacrosse ball, what we want to do, we want to get our hands away from our body and be able to push and pull simultaneously. So see how my top hand, I'm snapping the wrist in my top hand as I'm pulling the stick through with my bottom hand. Those things happen at the same time. With pushing, what we don't want is what we do when we're pushing, but our stick kind of, for the most part, most people that do this, the head of their stick starts on their shoulder and they kind of just push with both arms like that, and they finish with their arms straight and stiff. This leads to a ton of issues, obviously inaccuracy and then lack of power and things like that. But it's very hard to play lacrosse that way. So what we need to do when we shoot, the hard thing about lacrosse is being able to disassociate. That's the word, that disassociation of your arms from your body. We want loose arms, not stiff arms. This is pushing. So if you think that pushing is the characteristic that you're currently struggling with in your passing and shooting, some of the videos that we've done in the past on this channel, I Love Lacrosse TV, that you can use that will help you fix those issues. It will have step-by-step process and drills to use that we use with our players here at the gym. So the first one that I would recommend is how to fix lax stiff arm syndrome. The second one would be to instantly shoot a lacrosse ball faster with these 6 drills. You'll see it in the video cue. And then the number 3 would be the number 1 way to shoot a lacrosse ball more accurately. I hope you guys liked our latest video. If you want a free lacrosse training workout that will help you add 10 miles per hour to your shot, just click here or click the link in the description, enter in your email, and I will send it directly to your email. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, or leave a comment. Until next time, keep working.